Meaning of factory ship.
Factory ship.
Factory ship.
Factory ship.
Factory ship. A factory ship is a large vessel designed and equipped for onboard processing of seafood. These ships are used in the commercial fishing industry to catch and process large quantities of fish or other marine animals, like whales or seals. The fish are gutted, processed, and packaged on board the factory ship, which can stay at sea for weeks or even months at a time. This method of fishing has been criticized for its impact on marine ecosystems, as it can result in overfishing and bycatch of non-target species.